It's a game. I got cops out here crashing. I need that. Look, it's like a 6-car pileup. Oh, damn! Oh!
Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays! Mammoth Mountain was on the nice list. We got them a few feet of snow.
Snow, ice lead to multiple spinouts, pile up on Northern California Highway. Heavy snow and icy conditions on Interstate 80 over Donner Summit stranded dozens of drivers on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, leading to a multi-vehicle pileup and extensive traffic delays. The California Highway Patrol issued winter storm advisories, implemented R2 chain control, and worked to clear the scene while urging motorists to drive cautiously. There were snowy shutdowns, spinouts, and collisions on a northeastern California highway during Christmas and Christmas Eve, and part of the aftermath was captured on camera. The California Highway Patrol shared on social media footage of vehicles stuck in traffic near Castle Peak in California's Sierra Nevada mountains the night of Christmas. Eastbound traffic is now being held at Castle Peak due to a 10-plus vehicle pileup over Donner Summit. The California Highway Patrol wrote just before 8:00 p.m. on Christmas Day. It's going to take some time to clean up the scene. The summit the pileup happened over, Donner Summit, stands 7,240 feet high. Before the pileup, the patrol had shared numerous updates on weather conditions. By 8:30 p.m. on Christmas Day, the patrol began to get traffic moving again and escorted vehicles down the summit, urging drivers to slow down. The California Highway Patrol first cautioned motorists about a winter storm advisory 3 days before Christmas, warning them that a winter storm was on its way and would continue through Christmas and Christmas Eve. Heavy snow, strong winds, and periods of near-zero visibility will cause rapidly deteriorating road conditions, the patrol wrote. We love holiday traditions, but getting stuck on I-80 shouldn't be one of them. By Christmas Eve, the California Highway Patrol had issued another warning about slick and icy roads, warning drivers to take it slow. According to the patrol, there had already been multiple spinouts by 11:15 a.m. on Christmas Eve. The patrol reminded drivers not to gamble with their lives for the sake of the holiday season. We want you to make it safely to your destination this Christmas, the patrol wrote, because making memories shouldn't include us pulling you out of a snowbank. By the evening of Christmas Eve, footage was captured of dozens of vehicles waiting in traffic as snow fell on Interstate 80, calling the conditions extremely difficult. The patrol said tow trucks were working to reach dozens of stranded motorists. Throughout the holiday week, officials implemented chain control on and off. The patrol announced early on Christmas Day that I-80 and 3 state routes were on R2 chain control. According to California officials, R2 chain control means any vehicles traveling on the highway need chains or traction devices, except four-wheel drives or all-wheel drives with snow tread tires on all four wheels. Please continue to slow it down, leave extra space between vehicles, and expect delays as we work through the remaining congestion, the patrol wrote online around 8:30 p.m. on Christmas Day. Many weather hazards continue this holiday weekend. Ongoing flooding is widespread in California as the atmospheric river storm track begins to wind down. Heavy mountain snow continues for Northern California and Sierra Nevada mountain ranges. Snow advisories extend inland to the Rocky Mountains. Dense fog in the Midwest and Northern Gulf states, typical of unseasonably mild air. An ice storm rages in western Pennsylvania and winter storm warning for the northern mid-Atlantic region today for heavy snow.
Here's that one and that.
The final days of 2025 are shaping up to be a tale of two storms, just as millions of Americans prepare to make their post-holiday journey home.
50-mile-an-hour winds.
An atmospheric river continues to drench Southern California, unleashing heavy rain, mountain snow, and mudslides in areas already scared by wildfire. Meanwhile, the Northeast is bracing for a winter storm, with a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain expected to stretch from the Great Lakes to New England. The National Weather Service has issued storm warnings for both regions, citing dangerous conditions such as flooded roads and debris flows in Southern California, to icy highways and reduced visibility in New York City and beyond. It's poor timing for holiday travelers and for residents who may be away and unable to prepare their homes for what's coming. That's raising the stakes for homeowners and renters alike. From burst pipes to uninsured flood damage, the risks don't end when the storm passes. Below, we break down what to expect and what to do if your home is in the path of these late-year weather events. New York City is expected to bear the brunt of the Northeast storm system, with the entire metro area, including parts of New Jersey and Connecticut, under a winter storm warning.